Merry Christmas. John of Schuylkill River Valley and I shopped till we dropped. We searched high and low and we found the perfect gift for you for Christmas. Modeler, stick around. It's coming up right now.
Hey everybody, this is Brian with the Denver and Rio Grande Western Iron Horse Route coming to you from Schuylkill River Valley. I'm here with my main man, John. How are you today, John?
Brian, if I was any better, it'd be illegal. And it's really great to have you here today. It's a perfect opportunity to introduce Community Roundhouse to our model railroading friends.
That's right, the Community Roundhouse is a model railroad news show that we're going to put out each month on the same day and release it as a premiere so we can all get together and hang out. A segment of the show will be layout tours with photos sent in from the viewers with captions and voiceover commentary.
In another segment, we're going to take a look at the past month and what our fellow modelers have done with their layouts.
We're also going to be spilling out inside information that we get from our viewers on what's going to be going on in the coming month for their channel so you know what to look for.
Each month, we're going to have a live recorded interview with a fellow modeler. We'll take an in-depth look at his layout and what plans they have for the future.
Each month, we're also going to have a blooper segment, so don't delete those bloopers anymore. I need you to save them for me and send them to me. We got a web page. We got an email address. I need you to save those bloopers. Don't delete them. Send them to John and I.
We have a web page?
John even made a web page. I want you to check this thing out right here.
Brian and I encourage everyone to head on over to our website at SchuylkillRiverValley.com/Community Roundhouse. This website will give you all the pertinent information on the show, including when and where to find our next broadcast. Now we'll head on over to the Get Involved page. We really want to get the community involved in this project. We want to see your layout and we want to feature it here on Community Roundhouse. If you click on the different category tabs, as you can see, you'll get complete information on how you can have your layout featured on Community Roundhouse. We hope you stop by the website, and we hope to be featuring your layout on our show.
John and I both want to encourage you to subscribe to our channels and click the bell icon because you need to keep an eye out mid-January for the announcement video of the premiere episode number 1 of the Community Roundhouse. You don't want to miss it.
Thanks a lot for watching today. It was great to have Brian here, and we hope to see you at the premiere.
If you're one of my returning subscribers and you're not yet a subscriber of John of Schuylkill River Valley, I want to encourage you to follow this card right here, right now. Subscribe to his channel, click the bell icon so you can be alerted when the first upload comes out mid-January. Again, Merry Christmas, and I got to thank John for putting this video together for us and working with me on this collaboration. It's going to come out once a month. And before we go, I got to brag on the man I'm working with, my main man, John of Schuylkill River Valley. His Sculpt-A-Mold video busted 1,000 views the other day. If you have not already seen that, I want to encourage you to follow this card right here, right now, and watch that video in its entirety. Don't forget to leave him a comment. This is Brian with the Denver and Rio Grande Western Iron Horse Route. Looking forward to sitting down with you on January 15th for our premiere, the Community Roundhouse. See you at 6 p.m., y'all. Take care. One more thing from you. If you haven't already, I need you to click right here, or click here, or here, or here, anywhere to stick around. Just stick around.